Hey YouTube, what is up? What's poppin'? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm just going to be showing you my hygiene routine. Now this routine can vary, but this is just one variation of the hygiene routine that I like to do. So if you want to see how I get clean, just keep watching. So first things first. So if you did watch my, I need to stop saying so much. It's hard. It's just a space filler, I guess. But anyway, if you watched my last video, you will notice I look the exact same, and that's because I filmed these two videos within minutes of each other. So excuse that. I'm not just, you know, cloning myself and doing something the next day. I thought I'd just knock these two out. So enough rambling. Anyway, so just bear with me. I'm a work in progress. I'm trying. Lord knows I'm trying. With my hygiene routine, I do believe that your hygiene starts from within your body. So the first thing I do when I get up is take these what is this, probiotics or prebiotics? Probiotics with prebiotics. Also with cranberry. This just helps your gut health, it helps your urinary tract, and it also helps your little kitty cat down there. So once you take these, I promise you will notice the difference. I don't care if you're not like a girl that has issues with that thing, but you can always improve it. It can always get better, like I promise. Even if you feel like you have the most perfect cat in the world, if you incorporate probiotics, I promise you will not be upset, because we always need to replenish those. Next, this is just a generic little B vitamin. I do take B vitamins because to me they help with my mood. They help me to be happier, especially around that time of the month when, oops, sorry guys, especially around that time of the month when I'm most upset and depressed for no reason at all. Like, for example, the other day, I caught myself watching a video about Yorkies because I want to get a Yorkie. It made me tear up, like, for what reason? I don't know. Anyway, then of course, the next step is going into the bathroom, brushing my teeth. This is just what I'm using right now, but usually I like to use the 3D white. To me, that's a little better, but this is just what we had on hand, so it works just the same. Get that breath fresh, you know. First, I forgot to bring it in here, but I do like to use mouthwash. I will insert a picture. I forgot what it's called right now, but I know it's Listerine. It's like the green kind, the kinds that like burns your mouth to smithereens or whatever. It gets the job done. Also, I found out that I've been doing it wrong all these years as far as using my mouthwash, because since it burns the out of my mouth, I usually use water and rinse it out. But I heard that you're not supposed to do that. You're just supposed to let it just burn you to death so it can do its job. So I've been trying to do that, and it's been painful, but hopefully it'll become worth it. Now we're gonna move along to the shower. Now this part of the routine can change at a moment's notice, because if you watch my other videos, I have explained to you time and time again that I love a smell good. I love anything that smells, what is that, lint? I love anything that smells good, so my body washes and everything can switch up at a moment's notice. So this is just what I'm using right now. This is Comfort from Bath & Body Works. It is vanilla absolute and patchouli oil. I don't know what patchouli is, but I've been digging it a lot lately. It says it creates a sense of harmony. I believe it, because whenever I use Comfort, it makes me happy. And I will say I have the body oil, I have the lotion, the pillow spray, the candle. If there was a fan club, I would be the chief head in charge. I would be in charge of the fan club, because Bath & Body Works, if you just happen to see this, please turn Comfort into a body spray. Please turn Comfort into a body spray. I will be most grateful. If I'm not using that, this is just what I actually use today. If I'm not using that and I just want to be a plain Jane, whatever, I will use this Dove. And this is for sensitive skin. This is just the shower foam. This just has a nice clean scent, not too overpowerful. So if you're just like chilling around the house, or if you ever have a day where you just want to maybe spray on some perfume and you don't want things to clash, then I would suggest you just use like a nice little base shower foam. I use a loofah. I feel like those lather up better than washcloths to me. Some people may disagree, but I enjoy using a loofah. I do change them out every 30 days. If you are using a loofah or any type of sponge, you need to be switching those things out quite often because they do like to harbor bacteria. With that being said, this is called Organic. And this is just what I use on my vajayjay. So I do use a different soap. So this is a intimate wash, of course. And it doesn't have any, let me backtrack. They claim to not have harmful chemicals. Now, I haven't researched all these chemicals in here, but you know, people like to slip stuff in. For me, it's been pretty good. I haven't had any issues. It's clear. It doesn't have any colorants, any parabens, or synthetic perfume. So, I mean, that's pretty cool. I probably say also a lot, but I think of things on the fly. I do use a separate rag, or excuse me, let me not be so country, washcloth for my vajayjay. I do switch those out every 2 to 3 days. I do not wash my body with the same rag that I wash my kitty cat with, because ew, like, I'm sorry, if you're doing that, I need you to switch it up. Like, you need 3 different apparatuses. You need something for your face, something for your body, and something for your kitty cat. So, pro tip, if you're not doing that, please, 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 change that up. Please change that up. Like, it will change it up. Moving on. And actually, I did this in the wrong order. So, excuse me, just pretend that I did this the right way. I like to exfoliate. This is just some little cheap exfoliant I got from TJ Maxx. As you can see, it is gone. I use this thing up. Only reason I still have it is because I'm planning on doing a 2019 favorites video, and this was definitely a favorite. This got me moisturized as well as soft. So I like to use this on days that I exfoliate, which is like a few times out of the week, and then I move on to shaving. So since I'm out of that, I've been using this In the Stars scrub. Hopefully you can see it. I've been using this In the Stars scrub. Honestly, it's not as good as that cheaper scrub. Like, it's okay. It's like a light exfoliation, but it doesn't, like, you know, get in there, get the job done. Like, I mean, it's okay, like I said, for now, but I need to re-up. Well, probably not. Probably can't, because it's from TJ Maxx. You know, they switch things out every week. But if I find a thicker exfoliant, I'm gonna let you guys know. After that is when I like to shave. My shaving cream, I'm not loyal to any shaving cream. To me, it really doesn't matter as long as it's shaving cream, whatever. So this is just a cheap little Pure Silk shaving cream. I think I got it because it was on sale. I had a coupon, and we love some deals over here. So yeah, if I'm not using that, I'll use the Skintimate. I guess I will say those are a little more nourishing, and those are a little better, but it don't matter to me. But what does matter, since I stopped being a little cheapskate, I got this razor. It's from this company called Joy, and it is made by Gillette. Hopefully there's no hair in it, so I'm not about to get that close, but it's made by Gillette. It has 5 blades, just like the men's razors. Oh my God. If you exfoliate first and then shave, especially using a good razor, not those little cheap Dollar Tree razors, no shade on anybody who uses those, you know, since I upgraded my life a few months ago. I consider myself no longer dusty, and I'm an adult, and I'm proud of that. So there's that. If you use that, I promise your legs will stay soft for days. Like, anyway, with that being said, in that order, after that is when I wash my body. But I was just so excited to get to the soap because I just love being clean that I just jumped the gun. So excuse that. Moving along. So right now I've been really loving this 1,000 Wishes. I'm not loyal to it. I'm not loyal to any of my sprays or lotions except for a few, but I just started trying this out. It's still pretty full because I have other ones that I use. I have to like literally rotate my scents so I'll remember to use them, but this is just what I use today. And then I go on top of that with the spray. Now I don't actually spray my body until after I have my clothes on, so I'll get my skin but then I'll also get my clothes. I'm not one of those people that like sprays their body down while they're naked. I don't know, I've seen some people do that and say they do it that way, but it's weird. I don't know, guys. I almost forgot. So after I get out the shower and after I put on my lotion and all that good stuff, I'll insert a picture of the deodorant that I'm currently using. It is the Dove Moisture something or other. It's like a blue label. I did like cucumber melon or something like that. It's one of their fresh deodorants and it has the green label. It's a OG. Like, if you have not smelled that, you need to go smell it. It literally just smells clean, fresh, beautiful, whatever. Lastly, because we're not just gonna stop at body spray. Like, why would we just stop there when we just have so much more to explore? So lastly, I tend to match my perfumes with the type of body spray that I have. And when I spray my perfumes, I just hit the, you know, important little spots. Like if you get a hug or something, you know, maybe if your shoulders are out, you like to spray your shoulders, you know, your neck, your ears, all that, the important parts. So I just like to match my perfume. So this is the Juicy Couture Noir, Gold Noir. I spoke about this a billion times. I'll link a few other videos that I talked about this in so you can hear me talk about it again. So I like to match it up. Like if I have something sweet, I like to wear sweet perfume. If I have something floral, I'll choose a floral perfume, so on and so forth. A little cheapy wipe, but it is flushable. I carry these in my purse to just refresh throughout the day if I feel like I need to, or especially on my period. These are just some CVS brand wipes. I like to use the, what is that, Summer's Eve or something like that, just to carry in my purse. I just chose these because they were flushable and I just want to try something different. But those other wipes, like the Summer's Eve and Vagisil or whatever, those are not flushable. Please don't flush those down the toilet. You will ruin your septic tank and nobody will have a good time trying to clean that stuff out. So if you're gonna flush, make sure it says flushable on it. I know some of you bad girls like to flush foreign objects down the toilet, hence all the signs on the restrooms that shouldn't have to tell people of age to put things in the trash can. Anyways, guys, so hopefully I covered everything in my little hygiene routine. That's gonna be the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe because I've noticed 90% of the people that watch my videos are not subscribed. But why? Like, you can help me get to 100 likes, followers, subscribers. You know what? Don't subscribe because obviously I'm gonna steer you in the wrong direction. So I can't even talk. Anyways, make sure you turn on the notification bell. Check out some more videos. I'm gonna link them and I want you to go watch them and let me know what you think. Also, let me know if you use any of these items and let me know, you know, even if you don't like it, let's talk. What you want to change? What do you use? Let me know, sis. All right, guys, I love you and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.